Hi, my name is Kathy Bethay, and we're here to talk to you a little bit about the United Credit Education Services. I'm a real estate agent by profession. My career in UCES as a regional sales director, and I'm here with my good
Demetrius.
friend Trementis, and she's going to introduce herself to you.
Oh, hi, my name is Demetrius Robinson. I am a realtor, but I am a listing agent, because Kathy is a buyer's agent. I've been doing UCS for over 2 years, and I've been a realtor over 15 plus years. So we're here to introduce these great products and programs and services to you, and we'll like to add more about it.
Okay, a little bit about this company. This company was founded in 2004. The company is founded in Farmers Hills, Michigan, and it has some unique products and services that we're going to be sharing with you today. It is a debt-free company. The company has no debt. It has the same key executives since its inception.
So why is that important? So why is all of what we're talking about so important? Did you know that the single biggest difference between financial success and financial failure is how well you manage your money? So it's really simple. It's master your money. You must manage your money. So we're here to talk to you about that.
And what that really means is just that we wasn't taught financial literacy a long time ago. We didn't learn it in the schools, and it takes a lot to learn about financial literacy. That's a text that was by Robert Kiyosaki.
So five shocking facts that you don't know about your finances. Americans are drowning in debt. 1.5 trillion Americans have and more across the world have credit card debt totaling $1.5 trillion.
Wow, that's amazing. And we just came through a pandemic, didn't we?
Yes, we did.
So imagine that. 56% of people in the US have no rainy day fund. Just think about that. I mean, we just came through COVID and people lost their jobs and they just drained themselves through not having enough funds to just kind of make it.
40% of baby boomers are having less than $10,000 in their bank account. 40% of millennials have spent money that they don't even have, keeping up with their friends.
Wow.
And it's no secret that they shouldn't be doing that.
That's right. And let's think about it for a minute. 43 million Americans, just like Ms. Tremendous said earlier, have a score of 599 or less, according to Source Magazine.
So we're going to be talking more about credit, but did you know, like Miss Kathy was saying, the average score is 599. To purchase a home or even an apartment, you need at least a 720 score. So 120 points will get your scores up to 720, and we're here to talk to you about that. So poor credit can make people feel anxious, embarrassed, frustrated. They're going to be in fear, they're confused. But it's really nothing to be ashamed of. It happens to great people all the time.
Yes, it does. And we know plenty of people that happens to. We see them all the time. So in contrast, having strong credit scores leaves you feeling what? It leaves you feel confident. It leaves you feel excited and abundant.
Ultimately, a good credit score opens up the possibilities of home ownership, new cars, low interest rates. And you know what interest rates are doing now? Credit cards and loans with higher limits. That's what you can do with a better credit score. Contracts without security deposits.
And that's simply amazing. So UCES, which is United Credit Education Services, is committed to individuals to build, organize, and protect their financial future. And how will they do that?
By budgeting, credit restoration, credit building, also having a credit attorney on your side, credit monitoring, paying off that debt, financial lockbox, identity monitoring, network, saving goals, wills, and trust, YFL Family Mint, and we'll talk about that. And guess what? A lawyer, a rocket lawyer. So once again, with UCS, we're going to be talking to you about how to build your financial wealth. So we talked about credit restoration. So our credit education services can assist you in challenging the credit bureaus, all two bureaus or three bureaus, and can help you dispute your credit scores and get your scores returned up to a maximum financial opportunity so that you'll be able to purchase more in the future. Credit building. Access your credit report is an easy, understandable online format to utilize our extensive financial library and resources to assist you. Also, credit monitoring so that you'll be able to monitor your credit on a daily basis. So there's been people that will help you with your credit and you don't know what they're doing, but with credit monitoring, they'll be able to help you. And with that credit attorney, you'll be able to get that secured credit in order. Get your credit scores in order with an attorney.
Okay, and we also talked about organizing your credit. Now, how does the company manage to help you organize your credit? Again, budgeting. You know, when you get ready to go buy that home, you definitely want to, first thing you want to do is make sure you budget. You need to budget well to be able to buy that home. So we have a tracking tool. What it does is track all your income. If you put your debt off into this budgeting system, and it helps you personalize so you can budget better. Now, everybody wants to know their net worth. Not only Beyonce, Jay-Z, and Oprah, we want to have a network too, just like these people. So what are we doing with that? Well, it helps you to figure out how much money you really want to save by using quick, simple calculation to help you save more every single month. And then we have the YFL, which we're going to go into a little bit more, but that YFL program is implemented in schools all across the U.S. And what that YFL program does, it's a family mint. It's meant to help you sit down with your family, because remember, we didn't learn it in school. But imagine me sitting down with my grandchildren and being able to share and help them through learning more about financial literacy. And then we simply have a debt payoff system, which just creates financial plan for you to pay off that debt early so you can save more money.
So protect your financial future. Identifying and monitoring your
She's talking about identifying and monitoring your credit. It's
Yeah.
similar to LifeLock, but it's called Privacy Armor.
Mhm.
And now I think that's changed even again. We changed it to Allstate Insurance. It's just Allstate, so it protects your monitoring services. You know, of course, it keeps you safe when you're scrolling across the internet, so you won't get, I guess, hacked. That's a better word.
Mhm. So we also have wills and trusts. Protect your loved ones by preparing the will and trust documents. You would be with an attorney in your office, but from the comfort of your home, you can create your own will and trust right in the comfort of your home. Also, once you create that will and trust, you'll be able to put it in a financial lockbox. It's a roadmap to your financial contacts, your contracts, all your very important information, and also saving goals. They will help you to build up your saving goals so that you can save money and create a multiple goals in financial wealth.
And I just love what she said. So U.S. Protection Plan has a roadmap. Now, sometimes when people get started with these services, they simply need a guide. And we give you 12 months from month one all the way month one, what you're going to be activating your services, of course, just simply getting started. And you're going to begin the smart credit, which is the monitoring services. While you're getting that credit fixed, you're going to be getting alerts about what's going on with the credit. And then, of course, you set it up, you're building your credit scores up, you're working towards getting out that outstanding debt. You're also establishing your family for security. Now, you stay on top of all your finances through what Ms. Tremendous says, that will and trust. I mean, you guys, you know how important that it is to have a living will, a living trust for your family. I mean, simply the uncertainties will happen. We're not going to live forever. So you want to make sure you leave those instructions. You can sit at the comforts of your home and complete your living will and living trust for your loved ones. And that wraps up in 12 months. So I'm going to let Tremendous talk to you about really what that means, because we also teach you about how to calculate those scores.
So how is your credit scores calculated? 35% is payment history. 30% is capacity amount owed. What do you owe people? That's 30%. 15% is the length of credit. How long have you had that credit? How long have you had the credit card? How long you've had your car insurance? New credit inquiries. All types, 10% is types of credit. So installment loans and revolving. So those are the ones that's very important. 35%, 30%, 15, 10, and 10. That's what calculates how your scores are calculated. So,
Wow. That's really exciting because all this makes up the way you pay your bills. And if you know better, you really do better. So she just kind of gave you a brief summary of how it's calculated so you can do a better job with your credit card. So what is this all about? Now I just talked to you about the protection services, and now I'm getting ready to introduce you to another services that's called Credit My Rent. So what is Credit My Rent? So just imagine when you have an eviction that goes on your credit. Well, Credit My Rent is an ability to pay your rent every day and get credit for paying it every month when you pay it on time. So you can simply report affordable to build your credit scores. It builds your credit scores. It's no increasing your debt in its own time payments. It gives you a positive payment history reading. You can instantly add 2 years of rental history on your credit. As you add those 2 years on your rental history credit, you do have other programs up to 1 year, 2 year, or some of the programs. Or you can just start with month to month, where you simply pay $9.95 a month to work on your credit and get it added for those increase in your credit scores.
that's right, Miss Kathy. Another thing that can help you build your scores up is a credit card, a debit credit card. It's by Sable. Sable is a premium credit card. It's changing how the world is getting credit. This credit card, it works faster than anywhere and build your scores and build everyone's credit scores. So enroll, use your phone to get the only premium card to start building your credit today. So for only $3 a day, you can get started. So we want to talk to you about more about the fees. We haven't talked to you about money, but it's less than $3 a day to help you get back on financial literacy. So take control of your financial future today. So for $188 one time to get started, that will get you with all the programs and the services that we just spoke about. So the first 1 to 3 months, it's only $89. So $188 to get started, $89 for the first 3 months. The 12 months is $69, and then yes, it goes down a little bit more. For the last months, it's only $49. So you'll get access to all the great things that we just talked about and more.
And that's just simply phenomenal because we covered over 10 products and services that you can utilize. Now, we didn't talk about our prescription plan, but we do have a prescription plan that you would qualify for, and that's one of the service products that is included. Now, she did break it down and talked about month 4 when your plan simply starts for $49 a month. I'm sorry, for $69 a month, and then that's month after 12 months, it goes down to $49. Those attorneys that look at this is called the Rocket Lawyers. So in addition to all the other service and great products you get, we have an attorney that will take a look and say, for those hard, stubborn things to get off your credit, they simply take a look at it and tackle it in a different manner. And that's of course, student loans and child support and different things that are really, really stubborn to get off your credit.
So we're going to talk a little bit about all this, the funds that we just talked about. They do provide a great service to the youth. It's called Youth Financial Literacy, YFL. So for only $9 from each month from your protection plan, go to this program. It's really a great program for the youth, and we offer grants to these different schools. So since 2016 all the way up to present day, we have donated over $1 million so far to YFL scholarships to help kids learn financial literacy at a young age.
Yes, and this is absolutely phenomenal. I'd just like to add to that, the YFL program is for high school seniors and college freshmen. So if you should happen to have a high school senior in your in your home, or you know of someone that has a freshman or a college senior, they would simply go to the www.yfl Foundation and register to obtain a scholarship opportunity. That's huge, you guys, and that's free. All they have to do is write a 500-word essay to be able to qualify to get into that program, and also take a comprehensive test that they will pass about financial literacy. So that's pretty sharp, isn't it?
That's great. That's outstanding. So we also have a customer referral program. So we talked about the numbers, the 188 to get started and 89 a month. But there's a way that you can wipe that out by referring people. We call it the 5 program. Refer 5 people and you'll waive those fees. So the customer referral program gives you the opportunity to get all those wonderful coverages and services from UCS Protection Plan for free. So we recommend potential new customers to your enrollment agent. So if you get 5 enrollments, you will have no monthly fee to pay.
Isn't that phenomenal?
Mm-hmm.
And you would simply just, if you gave them to Trementis, she brought them in, and they would go underneath you, and you would get the credit every single month.
Mm-hmm.
And sometimes people don't even take a month to get their 5. So just remember, you can get your services free. The Partnership for Purpose program, Trementis did cover that. She talked about every time with the protection plan, although it's $89 a month, $9 of that partnership is going to go toward our YFL program. So we partner with a lot of big companies, and they keep giving back, giving back, giving back. Now, should you just remember the person that invited you? Oh, last but not least, I'll let Tremendous talk about this. Okay. Where the tools.
we did talk about how you can monitor your credit. So how are you going to monitor it? You're going to have a dashboard. So on your smartphone, your laptop, your iPad, you'll be able to keep track of everything through your back office dashboard on the free USESPP app. Right. On your smartphone, you will have all these services to get your 5 people, send them videos, flyers, brochures, a lot of great information, monthly meetings, weekly meetings. So you'll be able to easily send this to everybody in your database on your smartphone, so that you'll be able to get your 5 in no time.
Wow, I'm just so super excited. So again, we have amazing testimonies all across the USA. We are in all 50 states, South Carolina, North Carolina, you name it, California. It's anywhere you know somebody that needs the services that we offer. And we are passionate about what we do. We want to help a lot of people. We simply ask you a few questions about the person that invited you.
Right. So remember, let's get started. And if you're interested in contacting please contact the person that referred you to our video. And also, if you don't have anyone, just give us a call, and that we'll be able to get you started and show you how to, for a little of money, $3 a day, to get your financial literacy in order. So remember, go back and contact the person that showed you or introduced you to our video, or give us a call. My name is Demetrius. You can reach me at 832-881-6700, or you can contact Miss Kathy.
And I can be reached at 713-540-0081. Thank you.
Thank you. Mm-hmm.